Hello everyone, myself Tangraj from Final Year Triple Department. Here I will go to take a seminar on the topic of NdYAG. It is the type of laser. It is an abbreviated form of neodymium yttrium aluminum garnet. It was made up of a synthetic crystalline material, active medium. This laser having basic components of active medium, fully reflected mirror and partially reflected mirror. The lower energy state electron of the neodymium ions are excited to the higher energy state to provide lasing action in the active medium. The parts likely differentiated by cavity, active medium in NdYAG rod, fully reflecting mirror, flash tube and partially reflecting mirror. In optical resonator, the NdYAG crystal is placed between two mirrors. These two mirrors are optically coated or silvered. Each mirror is silvered or coated differently. One mirror is fully silvered whereas another mirror is partially silvered. Another mirror is partially silvered, with the mirror which is fully silvered will completely reflect the light and is known as fully reflecting mirror. The basic principle, the neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet laser is a solid state laser in which NdYAG is used as a laser medium. This laser have many different applications in the medical and scientific field or process such as LASIK surgery and laser spectroscopy. NdYAG laser is a 4-level laser system. The main component, the flash tube. It is the output of the laser medium. NdYAG laser is a 4-level system, which means that the 4 energy levels are involved in laser action. This laser operates in both pulsed and continuous mode. Its working principle is such that when optical pumping is providing to the device, then the Nd ions get raised to higher energy level and their transition produces a laser beam. This laser generally emits light of wavelength of nearly 1.064 micromilli. The original diagram. The application used for the tattoo removal, Q switch and NdYAG laser. The main advantages, having low power consumption, NdYAG laser offers a high gain, laser has good thermal properties and has good mechanical properties. The efficiency of the NdYAG laser is very higher than compared to the ruby laser. The only one disadvantage of the electron energy level structure of Nd3 plus is YAG is complicated. The application used as NdYAG laser are used in manufacturing for engraving, etching or marking a variety of metals and plastics, or for metal surface enhancement processes like laser peening. They are extensively used in manufacturing for cutting and welding steel, semiconductor or various alloys. Since its introduction into clinical medicine, the neodymium yttrium aluminum garnet laser has found defined multi-specialty use. The carbon dioxide laser is clearly established as the premier precision cutting device but is seriously lacking in endoscopic applications because of its inability to transmit it through available fibers. Certain specialties such as otolaryngology, gynecology and neurosurgery still use CO2 laser is preference to other laser wavelengths. since accessibility to larynx, cervix, and brain is adequate without fiber technology. Good hemostasis with the CO2 laser primarily for capillary size blood vessels, microvasculature, and the ability to predict its precise soft tissue interaction have made it ideal for such applications as excisional biopsy of early carcinoma of the vocal cord and control of carcinoma is situ of cervix. However, treatment of malignancy originating in such vascular areas as the trachea or bronchus requires more reliable homeostasis. For control of blood vessels larger than capillary size, the ND-YAG laser is the ideal wavelength. As well as is used in military, medicine, medical fields, manufacturing like it used for cutting and welding steels. Thank you.